Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nur Najah binti Johari. Today, I would like to share with you guys about my embedded system project based learning, which entitled Smart Automation Door. The reason why I chose the topic is because to help the owner of a shop to detect how many customers that visited the shop and also to scan the customer body temperature when they enter the shop without any help from the staff or guard to do so. The system is very useful, especially nowadays during this COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so let's get started. So for this system, the inputs that I use are two PIR sensor or motion sensor. One I place it at entrance door and another one I place it at the exit door. Another input is body temperature sensor. For the output, I use LCD screen to display about the status. I also use the buzzer to alert the owner of the shopper if the customer entered the shop. I also use DC motor, okay, to control the exit door and also the entrance door. 7 segment display to display how many customers are inside the shop. So let's run this simulation. When I run the simulation, the LCD will display welcome to our shop and smart door. So currently the door are closed because there is no movement detected at the PIR sensor or the exit door. If the PIR sensor at the entrance door detect movement, it show the customer enter and the door will be open. As you can see here, the motor rotates from the door open and then it close back. And then the 7 segment display the counter. Okay, the temperature also detected, which is 29.3. So as long as the sensor can detect movement, the counter will keep on count up. So if you can see here, the buzzer also will trigger because once the customer enter, the buzzer will be alert. Now what happened if I change the temperature sensor? Right now I set it to 29.3. That's why just now it displayed 29.3. Okay, how about if I change it to 27? So now the customer will enter the shop and the temperature show right now is 26.37 degrees Celsius. What will happen if the PIR sensor at the exit door detect movement? Okay, it will show the LCD that the customer is out and the door will be open as the door motor is rotated here, and the door will be closes back because the motor is rotated back to its position. And here the buzzer won't be alert because I didn't uh, set the coding uh, for the buzzer to make a sound. So let's move on to the coding part. So this is the coding that I use for the simulation. I include the LCD library here. The LCD I declare at the pin 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8 because I connected the LCD to this pin. Here I also declare all the components that are connected to the Arduino pin. At the void setup, I declare LCD begin 20, 4 because the LCD that I use is 20 times 4. Okay, I also declare which components is the inputs and which components are the outputs. Okay, at the void loop, I use if else statement. Okay, first one, if the PIR sensor 1 is high, it will display the temperature value at the LCD in degrees Celsius. Next, It also will display the customer enter the counter will be high, so it will be count up. Okay, customer enter and the door will be open as the motor is high, and then the buzzer also will be high because it detect movement. You also want to alert the owner of the shop if the customer enter the shop. Then the door will be closed back as the motor is low. As the motor is low. Okay, next. If the PIR sensor 2 is high, the LCD will be displayed. Customer is out and the door will be open. The buzzer won't make any sound because in the coding, the buzzer is set up to be low. And then the door will be closed back. At the else statement means if the PIR sensor 1 and the PIR sensor 2 didn't trigger because there is no movement detected. So the LCD will be displayed smart door and the door will be closed and the buzzer also will be low. It won't make any sound. Okay, the counter also will be low here, so it won't count up. That's all from me. Thank you.